We hitting up the Great Mall out in Milpitas. And of course we're here because they do have a Nike outlet. And this is one of the spots that does have 40% off. That is pretty freaking fire. Question is, can we find anything my size, my kiddo size, anybody's size? And I was like, oh, dude, what Jordan 4s are these? No, they're the Spiz Ice. I was like, I've never seen this color blocking. What the hell? What the hell? But yeah, 170 for those. These are the Chinese New Year's. Okay, okay. Still not a fan. Still not a fan. 170. At least you get 40 off. It's about $100. Size 9.5 Infinity Run 4. Let's go for 120. Zoom GT Low Pros, I think. These are the ones that I just got a few days ago. I grabbed at the clearance store for $40. Here it's a little bit more. It's going to be, what, $48. Zion 3s right here. These are size 9. A $150s. $150s, okay. 6.5. Isn't that a kid size? 65 for the Zoom Free 5. Size 8 Jordan 13s. These listed 200? I can't tell. What number is that? Oh, I cannot tell. Can't tell. Is it 179? I can't tell. But yeah, to be able to get these for 40 off on top, probably like $100 or so. 6.5. Everything's just kind of jumbled up. So many people here. Infinity Pro 2s. These are some golf shoes. 70. And you get an extra, what, 40 off? I don't really see any refurbs or anything like that here, probably because it's an outlet mall. 190 off of these. I like this color. I like this colorway, dude. This colorway is fire, dude. Holy cow. Dope. But yeah, definitely not paying retail. Retail plus 40% off. Close to $100 though. Luca 2s. Black cement colorway down to 94. So I just checked the sidewall right here. This is all freaking, what's 10 to size like 5 or something like that, so not really too much of a crazy selection on the smaller sizes. And everything from here to all the way over there, it looks like size 11, dude. They do have a couple of size 10.5s mixed in here. 75 for the hella bright Zion 2s. SB Brolins, these are size 8 men's, 9.5 women's. Those are going for $90, dude. Size 11s, 115 for these. Juke Move right here. Air Max IVOs. I thought these were the Air Max 90s. I guess I'll show you the price. $80 for those. University of Texas Pegasus 40s go for 100. So these are size 10. Zoom Free 5s going for 70. These are an 11. Zion 3s right here, 130. These 11.5. Size 12s right here, look, 159. So that's the correct price, 159. And you get another 40% off, well under $100. Well under $100. Wow, that's what's up. The rarely seen size 13.5. 13.5 next gens, 125 for these. 40% off on top of that. Holy cow, that's what, $75? $75 or something like that. Holy cow, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Air Max 90s right here, down to 1/3, 125. Size 12 Infinity Run Flyknit 4s going for 115. That's a pretty dope colorway, actually. Even all the stuff that's like mediocre priced, like so freaking cheap with this discount. Sakai Blazers right here, $100. Size 13 Air Max 1. The OGs right here going for 160. I was like, what Jordan? Nope. 12.5. This is one of the doper colorways, All-Star Weekend colorway. The GT Jumps right here. And these are pretty dope. These are 12.5. 125. We see that extended size sticker on here, but not much in the crazy huge sizes. $100 for these. These are size 18 though. $60 for size 18. Big Feet Gang with a little deal right here. Size 17 way up here, go for 100 as well. And Dunk 85s. Yeah, these are 10.5 though. $100. And not much for Big Feet Gang. Damn, doggy, your boy tripping. Look at this. Got a little heat wall, but I missed it though. Missed it. See what's going on here with the other sizes. Do got a bread 4, technically, sort of, not really. These are preschool, right? Preschool size 1 right there. Looks like a, oh, this is a men's size 5. Pretty much grade school. 145 for those. Interesting materials on this one right here. These are going for 140. Remember, you did get an extra 40 off. 115 for these. I'd definitely rather have a lot of the Jordans than these, especially with some of the Jordans on sale. 120 for these. Women's J right here. No price tag. 115 for these. Not bad, not crazy, but not bad. That was a little bit long just going through the clearance section, but I was desperately trying to find something. 40% off, really. I was trying. We got some OSU merch right here. Did get 30% off the clearance apparel. This is like super thin, 70 bucks. Can we get some of that tech fleece? Not really seeing any of that right now though. Pretty thick sweatshirt right here, going for 78.97. Oh, here's some of that tech fleece. What they talking about? 110. Man, this is like one of the thinner ones. What the hell? Powder blue going for 50, super thin. One of the thicker ones right here going for 70, super heavy duty. So yeah, it is a small Gore-Tex Nocta rain jacket. Is it rain jacket or is it just a windbreaker? I don't know. But yeah, $500. This is an extra small, but it does look oversized. Yeah, man, that's just too much. 500. SC jersey, LeBron James Jr. go for 90. 40% off would be cool, but 30% off, it's alright. It's alright. I guess that's just what we're used to, so nothing too special. 25 for this. This is an XL, pretty thin though. Then a lightweight Letterman's jacket. This is an XL. 210, only 5 bills. This is definitely not worth 5 bills. Quality does not seem to be on par. This is an XL. Definitely not on par for $500, dude. That's crazy. $90 for tech fleece pants right here. Some super thick cargo pants. Kind of interesting. Yeah, premium price tag. Premium material though. Well, not like super premium, but it is nice. It was nice. 125, dang, dude. Which is not the biggest discounts, dude. Never seen somebody do this. Let's take a look. Let's see how this fool does. Oh, and you only get like 1 or 2 things unless you pay like $100 to get everything. Kind of a ripoff, dude. Kind of a ripoff. See what ends up getting. Let's see what this fool gets. Let's see what's he got. What's he got? 2 things? He's got 2 things. Kind of underwhelming for such an elaborate set of $18 for 2 plush toys. They do got one of these. Last time they had the 11s here, the Gratitudes. That was kind of crazy. See if they have any crazy restocks. I doubt I'll get lucky like that again. Yeah, not really see much. Well, nothing crazy. I know there's a lot of you PSG fans out here. I haven't seen too many of you guys talking about these Legacy 312s. They did do a collab with Paris Saint-Germain, the soccer team. Yeah, okay, it's not bad. 145. These don't work on me because I have wide feet and these don't work. I've like unstrapped it and I've like loosened that up as much and still just haven't worked for me. In the women's section, do got the Valentine's Air Force Ones with that super soft material. I don't even know how to explain that material. It reminds me of like a towel. Like a towel. Yeah, terry cloth. Is that terry cloth material? Is that what it is? $100 for those. Then the Jaws been on sale. One of the few locations I've seen multiple colorways on sale though. It is crazy because I've been talking to a lot of people like Ja was supposed to be Nike's next dude and he's just been getting caught up. Like, damn, just sucks. But yeah, this ain't a bad colorway, dude. 120 for these. Then got the mochas. Got these on sale. I haven't seen these on sale too much. So that's what's up. And then even Dunks. Starting to see Dunks on sale. $80. And Forces. I think these are what, 115 or something like that now? This is $70. That's a hell of a price for that one. And 90 for the one with the tumbled leather. And then one last spot. One of my kiddos wants something from here. Let me see. Then checking to see if they have some mellows on the back wall. Don't really see much. And then also check and see if they got the stuff that my kiddo likes. Not really seeing what he likes though. And then I specifically point out the mellows because that's like the only thing that seems to move the needle with most of y'all. Do got a couple here, but not on sale though. Come on now, come on now. We see mellows on sale like everywhere, and they don't have them on sale here though. Yeah, my kiddo wants one of these Cat Drift. The Cat Drift, he wants the Ferrari ones. Especially since Hamilton's gonna be moving over to Ferrari, so they should be way legit next year. They're still decent now, but they're not like, they're not dominating or nothing. Verstappen just still killing everybody. I think I got this one for my kiddo. I think this is the one I got for my kiddo already. We do have a Patronus one. But yeah, they have a white one. They have a white one with some red on it. I don't know about those. When they have discounts, they have pretty good discounts. Look at this, 60% off the BMW ones right here. Holy cow, I thought they were gonna be 40% off. This one is 60% off the BMWs. I don't have a Beamer though. If I had a Beamer, maybe for my kiddo. But yeah, these are 110, 60 off. And then winter winding down, so 40 off of these right here, the Ferrari ones. So these are what 60, 65? Probably like 65 bucks. He might have a growth spurt. Yeah, he might have a growth spurt over the summer. Dang, I think I'm gonna have to grab these like late summer to see if like, you know, he grows a lot, or if he's done, maybe he's done growing. I don't know though, I don't know. But yeah, I do got these. These are what, 60? Was it 60, 40 off? 65. I just looked at it and then I forgot what it said. What the hell? 120 for these. This is actually the dopest one. This is actually the dopest one. They don't have his size, so they're all extra and double extra. They do have some here. But like I said, he might grow, dude. He might grow, man. Dang it. Dang it. This is one of the fun parts of driving around out in the bay. I feel like driving through tunnels. It's kind of cool. This one's long as hell too. Damn phone, I'm holding my phone, dang. And it is very green out here too. I kind of like that. A lot more rain than out in SoCal. At the Oakland downtown, was that Skyline? I got the BART system right here. Bay Area Rapid Transit. That's one of the cool Ross signs. Never seen that before. Then got Oracle Arena. Is it still called Oracle? Where Golden State used to play, and then Athletic Stadium.